Hello family, welcome back to your channel Hack Idea and Trick for Speedy Hit number 19. Often we have seen that these expensive chargers starts to break from one or the other end. To protect it from breaking, we can use one of these methods. We can wrap it with sellotape or white tape beforehand and use pen string to keep it straight to avoid folding of these wires. We just have to wrap sellotape properly on the edge of any particular charger and then just take this string out of the pen and wrap it on the covering which you have made with the help of sellotape. This way it will not fold and the wear and tear can be avoided. Isn't it useful? Try and let me know if it works for you also.